Hey guys, so we're going to make a grocery bag. And we're going to start with a magic circle. So you want your yarn to look like this on the fingers facing you, and the fingers away from you, you want it looking like this. You're going to take your hook, you're going to slip under your first yarn and pull up that second one just like that. And then you're going to pull your yarn from the top and you're going to make you one stitch. And then you're going to chain one. And we're going to do 8 single crochets in this ring. That's 1. And you want to make sure that your yarn, both strands of your yarn is going the same way. So if you're right-handed, it's going to go to the left. If you're left-handed, it's going to the right. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And I'm using a 4.25 or 4 size crochet hook or a G size crochet hook. And I've got Red Heart Super Saver Ombre. Is what I'm using for this bag. So you're going to take the shorter end of your yarn and you're going to pull it tight. You're going to pull it snug. And then you're going to take your yarn, your hook, and you're going to put it in that first stitch and slip stitch the last stitch to the first one. You're going to count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. You have 8 stitches. You're going to chain 1. You're going to go back in that same hole and you're going to single crochet. But you're going to do this 2 times. And you're going to yarn in, over, and pull through both loops. Pull up your loop, pull through both loops. You're going to do 2 single crochets in each stitch around. You'll have a total of 16 stitches. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. And we're going to slip stitch in that first single crochet. And that's what it should look like. Your next round, you're going to chain 1. You're going to single crochet in the first one. Single crochet is put it in your stitch, pull up a loop, and pull through both loops on your hook. In this next one, we're going to do 2 single crochets because we're increasing. So yarn over, pull up your loop, yarn over, and pull through both loops on your hook. Put in your stitch, yarn over, and pull through both loops on your hook. This next stitch, we're going to do 2 single crochets, which is yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, and pull through both loops on your hook. Put it in that stitch, yarn over, pull up a loop, and pull through both loops on your hook. Then we're going to single crochet in this one, 2 single crochets in this one. Single crochet in this one, 2 single crochets in this one. single crochet in this one, 2 singles in this one, single crochet in this one, 2 singles in this one, single crochet in this one, 2 singles in this one, single crochet in this one, 2 singles in this one. And if you do it right, you will always end with 2 single crochets until we get to the end, till we get to the round where we're not increasing anymore. And this next round is an increase round. And we're going to chain 1. We're going to single crochet in this one. And we're going to single crochet in this one. And we're going to increase in this one, which means 2 single crochets. One, 2, 2 single crochets. 1, 2, 2 single crochets. And I will meet you back around over here. This is going to be 2 single crochets, and then 2 single crochets in your next stitch. Okay, we're back around to the end. We're going to slip stitch in this first single crochet, and we're going to chain 1. We're going to go back into that single crochet, and we're going to crochet 1 time. Next one, single crochet 1 time. The next one, we're going to single crochet 1 time. We're going to put 2 single crochets in this next stitch. So it's going to be 3 single crochets, and in your 4th stitch, you're going to put 2. So it's a single crochet, single crochet, single crochet, 2 single crochets, 1, 2, single crochet, single crochet, single crochet, and then 2 single crochets. And I will meet you back around at the beginning of this round. All right, we're back around to the beginning of this next round. 2 single crochets in this end one. And then we're going to slip stitch in this beginning of the first of that round. You're going to chain 1. You're going to single crochet in 1, 2, 3, 4. And you're going to 2 single crochets in that 5th one. 1, 2. 1 single crochet. 1 single crochet. 1 single crochet. And 1 single crochet. And then we're going to 2 single crochets. So you're going to single crochet in your first 4, and then 2 single crochets in your 5th stitch. And you're going to go all the way around till you come back around to the beginning of the row. Okay, we're back around to the beginning of this round. I went ahead and slip stitched into my first single crochet. We're going to go back into that one, and we're going to single crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And we're going to 2 single crochets in this next one. 1, 2. you're going to single crochet in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and we're going to 2 single crochets in this next one. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You're going to increase in this one. 1, 2. We're going to go around till we meet back up here at the beginning. Okay, we're back around to the beginning. And remember what I said, if you do it right, you will end up with 2 with your increase at the very end, right before you start your other row. And I'm going in backwards so that you can't see the join as easily as if you join it the other way. And we're going to chain 1. We're going to go back in that stitch we just joined in, and we're going to single crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and we're going to double crochet or 2 single crochets in this one. 1, 2. And the reason I'm doing a single crochet is because I like for my bags to have a little bit of a sturdy bottom. So you're going to single crochet in 6 stitches, and in that 7th one you're going to two single crochets. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then we're going to 2 single crochets in this one. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and you're going to 2 single crochets in this next one. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, and we're back around at the beginning. So you're going to go in from the back side and you're going to join. See the difference in how it looks when you join it from the front than you do from the back. Okay, you're going to chain 1 and we're going to go in crochet in 7 stitches. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. One, 2. And I'll meet you back around at the beginning of the row. Okay, we're back around at the beginning of this row. We're going to join with a slip stitch, chain 1, and we're going to single crochet in the first 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And then you're going to 2 single crochets in the 9th one. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2. So you're going to single crochet in the first 8. And then number 9, you're going to 2 single crochets. I'll meet you back at the beginning of the round. Okay, we're back around to the last one. In this last stitch, you're going to 2 single crochets. 1, 2. And we're going to join with a slip stitch in that first one. You're going to chain 1, and you're going to single crochet where you joined your slip stitch in that very same stitch. And then you're going to single crochet in 1. That's 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and then in the 10th one you're going to 2 single crochets. And you're going to do this all the way around to the beginning of the row. And I'll meet you back around there just shortly.